In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Venmo. To do so, begin by launching the Venmo app on your device. And tap on the three lines icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Privacy. And look for the option labeled Block Users and tap on it. You will see a list of users that you've blocked. Tap on the user you want to unblock to open their profile. In the user's profile, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner and this will bring up a menu of options. Tap on Unblock from the menu options and confirm the unblock action by tapping on Unblock again. After unblocking the user, you may need to re-add them to your friends list. Go back to the main screen of their profile and tap on the option to add them as a friend. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.